In today's video, I will teach you how to remove skin blemishes in PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in PicMonkey. Once the image is uploaded in the editor, go to the sidebar and select Touch Up. This will open a new toolbar which consists of a toolkit for retouching your image. And like everything in PicMonkey, these are all beginner-friendly. To zoom in closer to the subject's face, you can either press the zoom in button at the lower left side of the editor, or you can simply use the scroll wheel of your mouse while hovering over the general direction where you would like to zoom in. Now, go to the sidebar and select Touch Up. Under the skin category, you can use the blemish fix to remove blemishes. Now, you can change the brush size and fade value of the effect. Take note that the lower you set the fade value, the stronger the effect will be. And high fade value means that the effect will be more subtle. Now, simply click away any blemishes that you need to remove. Once you're done zapping away blemishes, you can now click Apply. If the blemish fix option couldn't remove some of the blemishes, you can use the skin smoother option to take care of the rest. Here, you can apply the effect first on the areas that needs it. Then, you can adjust each parameter to make the effect look more natural. Make sure to change the brush shape as well as the brush size to whatever your subject needs. Then adjust the hardness, strength, smoothing, and fade value to your liking. Keep in mind that the lower you set the fade value, the stronger the effect will be. And high fade value means that the effect will be more subtle. If you went over some areas that don't need the effect, you can simply switch to the eraser mode and remove the effect on the areas that don't need it. Now, simply click Apply to keep the changes that you've made. To see the before and after of the effects that you applied to the subject, simply go to the lower left side of the editor and click and hold the before and after button. And you're done! If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.